This is not the M3, sorry. I'll explain. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Nope, this is not the M3, sorry. I'll explain. There is the M3. See? Don't worry, it's not going anywhere. This past weekend, we actually picked up a 2008 Nissan Sentra. Don't worry, this car is not going to be on the vlogs. It's strictly for daily driving. It's going to be my winter beater, and my oldest daughter starts driving next year, so this will be the car that she gets to learn on. The only purpose of today's vlog of why we're actually talking about the Nissan Sentra is the Carly. Yes, I know there's been some hate, and there has been some people who positively will review this. Some people say this is amateurish, this isn't the proper coding. To each their own. I got it back in the day because I had no idea about coding BMWs, and this seemed like the best alternative. But why am I talking about Carly and introducing the Nissan? Doesn't make much sense, except for the difference between Carly and Bimmer code is for BMWs and Minis. Carly actually saved me a bunch of cash with the Nissan Sentra. It did. Surprising? Yes, I know. So those who originally bought a Carly back in the day know that this was for BMWs and Minis. Carly, that's what they were all about. But they have expanded their capabilities into so many more automotive manufacturers. And honestly, in the Nissan Sentra, here's the backstory. This is a friend of a friend's car that they were selling it. It had winter tires. It's got a car starter. It's only got 150,000 kilometers on it. It's a 2008, and it is in actually really decent shape. I got it for 2,500 bucks. It was a steal. I could probably turn around and resell this car right now for $4,000 with no problems. So it was a great deal. But after I picked it up, it got a check engine light. As you know, I'm not familiar with Nissans because it's HQ BMW. We like to do BMWs on the channel. So I've never owned a Nissan before. This is honestly the first Nissan I've ever purchased. And yeah, check engine light. What do you do? So I was like, well, you know what? Let's test out Carly and see what happens. I plugged the Carly into the OBD2 port, connected to my phone, went to the Carly app, scrolled through the list, found the car. Lo and behold, it gave me the engine code that it was throwing, and it was a very simple fix, and I got to clear it with Carly. So all I wanted to say was, yes, this might be an amateur way to do coding, and you know, a lot of people may not agree with the Carly, but in this instance, it saved me a ton of money because I didn't have to take the car to a shop. I didn't have to find someone to diagnose what the problem is, and who knows what the shop would have charged me. I could have paid out the note. So thank you, Carly, for saving the day. I never would have expected that it would have done this when I originally purchased it, and I'm kind of glad I have it now. If you're interested in picking up one of the Carly devices, I'll put links below. It's not a paid sponsorship from Carly at all. I just thought that it was very cool that it saved the day, saved me a whole bunch of money. I just thought I would share this advice with you guys today on the Carly and the Carly app, and it honestly, it covers just about every vehicle out there that has an OBD2 reader in it. The list is huge and the potential for it is astronomical. Just thought I would share that quick tidbit with you guys. So here's the first and last time that you are going to get to see the Sentra on the channel. I do have to say, you guys know that I like to name the vehicles, and I'm pretty sure Stone has stuck for the M3, and my father-in-law actually come up with a really funny one for the Versa, because it is kind of a gray silver, a little bit different than the M3, but because it's kind of gray silver and it's so petite, nickname is Pebbles. What do you guys think? Pretty funny. Yeah. But that's all for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed that little tidbit of information. Like I said, if the Carly is something that you're interested in, links below. And mods are coming in very soon for the M3. I got a whole whack load of shipment notifications, so stay tuned. Keep watching if you want to watch the epic M3 build. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
You got me down.